Amazon has a lot of factors to take in consideration for the product ranking, but one of the main factors, how many relevant sellers are selling the exact product that is being described in the keyword. Okay, so I can share my screen to make a practical
Of
example about.
course, yeah, that would be lovely if you can share the screen so we
Yeah.
can see. But how do you do that? Of course, I
Okay,
can see the screen.
let's go. So I will tell you later how to find these products, especially on Pinterest, on Magnet, on Brand Analytics. But let's take a quick example. So I found a product. It's called 8 Ball Bean Bag. It's just a simple bean bag that has a design of the 8 ball.
Okay.
So let's start searching this product on Amazon. I have two steps of validation to validate any product. First of all, I need to make sure that the product has a demand and low competition.
Okay. So for that, do you use any software or do you check it manually like this?
I use software. You can use
Okay.
Helium 10 or Jungle Scout to make sure that the exact keyword has a search volume.
Sure.
So 8 ball beanbag. It has like 800 search volume per month. Okay, you can see it from here. 800 search volume, it's not too much, and it's maybe we can consider it a low search volume. Okay,
Sure.
but let's wait for this. Let's see how many competitors are selling this product on Amazon. Okay, so let's count how many one. Can you count, please, how many competitors?
You can see with the 1, 2, 3 on the first line.
Okay, three. Yeah,
There's nothing else with the 8 ball one.
yeah. So only any page on Amazon has like 48 listings or results. From the 48, only 3 people are selling the exact product. This means if Abdullah want to launch this product right now and I open my listing, I will be organic rank number 4 in the page because, or number 5, because only 3 people are organically ranked. But the magic is that no one is selling this product. Okay, how? So this one, it's 8 ball, and this one, it's 8 ball, but it's not beanbag, it's pillow.
The other one is inflatable as well. So there's only
Yeah,
one product.
yeah. And this one
Okay.
also, it's pillow. So these two are not sellers or competitors. And this one, maybe you can call it beanbag, but it's a chair. So there is a big difference between a chair and beanbag, but let's consider it as a competitor. So from the 48 results, you have only one relevant competitor that is selling the exact product that is being described in the keywords. So if I launched my product right now with zero PPC spend or zero advertising spend, you will be second one to rank in this page. I have done this multiple times on many products because one of the main factors that Amazon takes in consideration for ranking, how many relevant sellers are selling the product, not how many number of reviews.